Friends, it's no secret that the most promising and fastest growing area over the past couple of years has become artificial intelligence. And every day, the forecasts for the growth of AI markets are getting higher and higher. And according to the most conservative estimates, the capitalization of this area by 2030 may exceed $1 trillion, while now the AI market is estimated at $300 billion. And a clear example of the development and scaling of AI is the company NVIDIA, which from the beginning of 2023 has grown by a cosmic 500% and become the third company in the world with a capitalization of more than $2 trillion, which is just a crazy result in such a short period of time. And this is all just thanks to the AI chips that are now being purchased in huge batches. There's a lot of positive news related to AI, and of course, all this unrelenting hype continues to affect AI-based coins. That's why today, in the video, we will talk about these coins. Today, we will pay special attention to AI coins with low capitalization. We've collected for you coins below 100 in the overall ranking and with capitalization up to $1 billion. But at the same time, these coins create AI software for Windows, cooperate with the world's 7th largest company, Meta, and are part of the coalition of AI coins managed by such large-scale projects as SingularityNet. Therefore, this video unequivocally deserves your support. If you like these coins, we are ready to make a second part. All you have to do is subscribe and support this video with a like. After all, finding such coins is quite a difficult job that requires a lot of time, but your support motivates us to release such videos much more often. Today we're going to talk about artificial intelligence, because as soon as at least one positive news related to AI appears in the information field, coins based on these technologies begin to grow actively. Let me briefly remind you about the basic coins from the AI sector, due to which we have formed this Golden 5 for you, which we recommend to have in your portfolio. First of all, it's the agix coin, which is the main crypto project in AI. The fetch.ai coin, which integrates blockchain with AI, token rendering, offering cloud rendering services on GPUs. Also the ICP coin, which developed the first AI-based smart contract. And of course, the main coin that works in the blockchain sector and cooperates with NVIDIA in the direction of artificial intelligence is Near Protocol. These 5 coins are the blue chips in the AI-related cryptocurrency sector. That's why most of them are in my portfolio. But we will go further and go below the top 100 to find good coins that can increase their capitalization several times. It is worth paying special attention before buying low capitalization coins. You should understand that they are more risky than the 5 tokens I mentioned earlier. They are less stable and can not only grow, but also fix a stronger short-term price drop. Therefore, allocate no more than 1% of your portfolio to buy them to minimize your risks. But they can easily grow by 10, 20, 30, and even 100%. And the first coin that is in 128th place is the Ocean Protocol. What is this coin? Ocean Protocol is a decentralized platform based on Ethereum, which provides Web3 data. In simple words, this project allows the owners of certain data, such as blockchain indicators or some statistics, to sell them directly to other users, thereby monetizing their data, as well as providing cloud storage capabilities. And accordingly, this mechanism is powered by the Ocean Protocol platform itself, as well as the internal token Ocean, which is required to purchase the data. This project was created back in 2017 by Bruce Pond, who's an expert in the field of artificial intelligence. The main goal of Ocean Protocol was to create an alternative to Microsoft, Google, and Apple, which is engaged in data storage and sharing. But how is Ocean Protocol related to AI? First of all, Ocean Protocol is engaged in the creation of decentralized artificial intelligence, which is used in different directions. For example, analyzing the crypto market and launching new applications, as well as developing special software. But the most important reason why we should pay attention to Ocean is its integration with the 2 largest AI projects in one coin by ASI Assets. As a reminder, voting on this merger began on April 2nd. According to the latest data, the turnout in this vote was more than 70%, and almost unanimously, all users of the Fetch.ai network voted in favor of the merger. The final decision on the vote has not been announced yet. However, this is only the first stage, which lasts from April 2nd to April 7th. And the next stage is the SingularityNet voting, which started on April 4th and will end on April 16th. After that, we'll hear the decision for the Ocean Protocol. Therefore, these coins will definitely be on the rumor in the near future. When it comes to potential purchases of Ocean Coin, we should keep an eye on this range around $1, which is below the rising line. In the short term, we're likely to see consolidation around the 50 EMA. But when the hype around the new ASI coin starts, closer to the middle of the month, I don't rule out a sharp jump to the first strong resistance. We'll definitely keep an eye on this coin. Despite the fact that this is positive news for the future growth of these coins, this week the cryptocurrency market continued to correct and consolidate on the back of weak Bitcoin movement. Because of this, even the main Near Protocol coin failed to break through $8 and started to fall. The next potential AI coin that's at 154th place in the overall ranking is Golem GLM. This coin is in today's video for a reason, because if we open the official roadmap of the project for the second quarter of this year, which began on April 1st, we'll see that this project will provide AI technology for the most popular operating system in the world, Windows. So let's take a closer look at what it's doing and also analyze the potential for the coin price growth of this project. Golem is a blockchain-based software that allows users to buy and sell computing power for a variety of purposes, including artificial intelligence, cryptocurrency mining, CGI rendering, and other complex computations that require large amounts of power. But unlike many other services where users can buy artificial intelligence services, Golem is a fully decentralized platform that operates on the backs of validators as well as users. The mechanism of Golem is quite simple and will be understandable to absolutely everyone. Users provide their computing resources, and in exchange for their services, they receive GLM tokens with which to pay customers on the network, and the price depends on the amount of leased computing power. You may have noticed that Golem's working principle is very similar to the render token, but if render provides only rendering service on graphics processors, the Golem platform is able to provide any computing services. The project is far from new and was launched in 2016 by the organization Golem Factory. And during these long years of work, developers even managed to change the ticker of the coin, while the platform itself is based on the blockchain Ethereum and is an L2 network, because of which the Dencon update reduces the internal network fees. As for AI, Golem is also integrating artificial intelligence with blockchain because, as I said earlier, the AI field also requires a lot of computing power. Remember NVIDIA's massive AI conference? It was there that the Gamer Hirsch AI project announced a partnership with Golem. And now, these two major projects have more than 770,000 GPUs and provide computing power for AI, including Windows. Since February, the GLM price has been in an uptrend and is currently trading near support lines, as well as near the important 50 cents level. Since GLM token, like many other coins, is now in a consolidation phase, we can consider a potential buy range, which can be found here. As you can see, the coin is quite volatile and can easily correct by at least 10%. But as the AI market hype continues to this day, 50 and even 100% growth is common for this crypto, so I suggest keeping a close eye on this range. The third AI-based coin, which is in 111th place and directly cooperates with Meta, is Oasis Network under the ticker ROSE. Probably you're interested in the fact that this project works in the 7th company in the world. Let's study it in detail to understand whether it's worth adding ROSE coin to your portfolio. Oasis Network is a decentralized network that's designed to improve the privacy of security as well as scalability of already DeFi projects. The development of this project started in 2018, and what's most interesting in the development team, there are a lot of programmers as well as marketers who previously worked in corporations such as Apple, Google, Amazon, and even banks like Goldman Sachs. And it's worth noting the funds that supported the development of Oasis Network, because at the start of this project received more than $45 million from leading venture capital funds, namely Andreessen Horowitz, Pantera Capital, Excel, and Polychain Capital. At the moment, Oasis Coin solves privacy issues related to artificial intelligence in the same way as in the Web3 sector. According to the developers, privacy in AI is a key issue. For example, to train any AI to perform certain tasks, it needs to be given access to data, but at the same time, it needs to adhere to privacy. You won't believe it, but the price of ROSE coin is moving in exactly the same way as many other coins, namely in an uptrend, with a support line that's been formed since last October. In this case, it could be a good opportunity to buy in a 30% short-term price drop to make about 20% profit after a local recovery. After all, for such coins, one positive news that is related to AI is enough for them to take off. It's best to buy them on falling prices and then follow the news afterwards. The important thing is, these coins can become the main contenders to be in your portfolio. After all, as you realized, These projects are really working in the AI sector, and they can also have large partners that further influence our scaling in this industry. But even this does not guarantee their growth, which is why I advise you not to buy such cryptocurrencies for more than 1% of your portfolio. After all, the riskier the coin, the less money you should invest in it. These AI coins should not be considered for the long term. It's better to buy them at the key support levels I mentioned earlier and lock in profits when they rise by 20%. Be sure to keep this in mind before investing in these coins. Well, if you like the coins in today's video and would like to see the second part, where we'll find interesting cryptocurrencies with even lower capitalization, give us a like and we'll start making this video for you. Thanks for watching.